Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically go through closed areas on in Valorant using ghost mode. So just select play and go to custom game. So if you're in rated, go to custom game and you're just going to choose the map that you want. Go to mode. Gotta go to options and then select allow cheats, close, and just press start and start match. And just pick any agent. It doesn't matter which agent you choose. I'm just going to use Sky. And I'm just going to use this agent, but it doesn't matter again. As I said, I actually haven't explored this map using ghost mode, so this will be the first time I kind of explore it. So I'm just going to wait for the map to load. Press escape and then go to cheats, and you are going to scroll down and you're going to turn on ghost mode. And I'm also going to later on pause timer. Sorry, actually I don't think you need to do that. I'm just going to end game phase and then pause match timer on. And you can go into places you can't go to, like this place right here, which I think is awesome. You can also go here and just explore. To go up, just press space, and if you want to go down, press control on your keyboard. So I want to go here, you can definitely do that. You'll see some lotus flowers. You can even go way up here to see the full. Oh my gosh, it's actually such a beautiful map. And I'm just going to go down here. Oh, I think this is B. Yeah, I just realized that it opens up into this beautiful place, and there's some statues here, and there's an elephant up here as well. And oh, there's an elephant I don't know, doll. They have those a lot in Valorant maps, random dolls around it. So for this one, it's the elephant one. And I am going to show you. Wait, you can also go into the walls. Let's see. I'm trying to show you. So this is A, and you can actually go in here and kind of see what's behind this wall. And there's another elephant and a bear one here. There's actually 3 bears here. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.